Hello.
Oh my god.
What's up, YouTube fam? Swaggy T here, giving you guys a video for today.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine?
Now it is the month of October right now of 2025. So it's been, I can't even tell you when the last time I actually posted a full-length video on this channel. I'm sorry.
Stop the cap.
I don't even remember what it was. Let me see if I can pull it up. I don't even remember what video it was that I posted. Hold on, I'm about to pull it up. Hold on. Bear with me. Yeah, I mean, y'all not going nowhere, so. All right, so the last video that I posted was a video of the Great Fives. It did okay. It only did 77 views. So, I mean, I don't really care. Like what my videos do, cause I do put I do give my all, and I edit it to the point where I'm satisfied. Like I'll look over it so many times before I even post it, and sometimes I even get a little bit of anxiety because I always feel like I'm not posting enough, or I'm posting too much, or I'm doing too much, yada yada yada. So I get that into my head, but at the end of the day, like, I should just be able to post whatever I feel like posting. And if I feel like the content is, where I want it to be at, then it shouldn't be an issue. So sometimes I do deal with that, but lately, since that last video, I have had no type of worry about posting on my channel. As crazy as that sounds, but I've been good, man. I've been posting my shorts. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying those, for those that do watch my shorts. I've been posting those, and I've been over on TikTok just posting whatever I feel like, just being silly and whatever. And also I just been living life and stuff like that. So life has been good, but I'm sorry to just vent and all that. It's been a while, man. I gotta talk to you guys. We gotta catch up. We gotta connect. But yeah, so everything's been good, man. Like, life's been good. So hopefully y'all been good, man. Leave down in the comment section. Let me know how y'all doing, man. Y'all doing good, or if you're doing, bad, you'll weather through the tornado. You'll get through the storm. So just stay prayed up and all that, and you'll be good. I know it's easier said than done. So, but stay prayed up and keep manifesting, and whatever you want to do in life, man, do it. Don't let nobody hold you back, because every day is a new day. But anywho, I got a package. This is probably the first pair of shoes that I bought since the Great Fives, and yeah, so I'm excited. I'm about to go on vacation this month. I'm going to Disney, and we're going to Halloween Horror Nights, so that should be fun. But let's go ahead and get into this package, man. Like, I've been feeling good. I feel like this is like just getting back into it. I feel like everything is gonna work out for itself, and like, I'm not gonna pressure anything. Whatever I post, whatever the numbers that they do, like, it's cool, it's fine. Like, I'm not gonna stress over it or whatever, because you can always. I'm not gonna say I ain't gonna give up the stuff that that I've been learning over time, but it's ways to get around some stuff. So but anyways, yeah, so I copped these. They're still sitting on the sneakers app. They're still sitting on other sites that I saw, so I'm very surprised, but at the same time, I'm relieved because I wanted to get a pair of these, and it's my first pair of this silhouette. I've never had a pair, and I've always been interested. But yeah, I'm yapping. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. I'm gonna leave all this in the video because, like I said, it's been a while, and I haven't talked to you guys. I miss you guys.
Okay.
Straight from Nike, we have the Air Max DN8. Y'all see the box? See the box? Air Max DN8. Now this is a special collab that recently dropped. I think October 1st. So I don't know. I'm just gonna get my first initial thoughts on this shoe. I gotta show this first. Now, I haven't seen videos or like anything on TikTok wise. I only seen stuff, content about this shoe from Complex Sneakers and some people overseas. Like I'm very surprised, man. Like what's going on? But y'all see that Patta paper. Oh, these smooth. These smooth. I like these. I like these. Hold on, damn. I'm stuck in the face. I like these. All right. So we got the Nike Air Max DN8. Nike Air Max DN8 Patta collab. They looking good. They looking good. How we feel about them? How we feeling? How we feeling? How we feeling? Patta on the tongue. How we feeling? Bottoms. Ooh. Bottoms. How we feeling? It's wrapped in all patent leather. I don't know why it took me that long to say it. I guess because I was trying to make sure the camera was focused on it. But it's wrapped in all patent leather. And then you got your... I don't even know what this is. It's like, I don't even know what this is.
You just blowing from Stupid Town?
Like a ventilation system for your foot, of course. So your feet can still get like... Your foot can get some air throughout it. Then it's like soft little suede up here. Soft little hits of suede. Then you got the air bubbles on the bottom. Do they say? I don't know if y'all can see that, but this one says Patta. Y'all see that Patta, and then DNA Air. Then on the bottoms, I really like the bottoms, man. The laces, you got that carabiner lock right there. Kind of give it like a workwear look situation, I guess. Then on the tongue, you got Patta, of course. Now this is 3M. 3M is all throughout the shoe. Then you get extra pair of laces right here. I'm probably gonna just keep the blue in. On the inside, you got Patta, and that, I don't know if y'all can see that. Inside, you got Patta and Air Max on the inside. For the price tag, I think they was a little out of pocket. Price tag wise, I think they were a little out of pocket. But I mean, overall, I like it. This is clean. I know like it's gonna probably turn heads, and I'm definitely wearing these to Disney. Honestly, I was just looking for a pair of some comfortable shoes to wear. I've been hearing that the DN8s are pretty comfortable. It was either that or damn, what was the other shoe I was gonna get? It was the running shoe with the big bottoms. The foam. I can't think of it. I can't think of the name. But I was gonna get those, but after I saw like videos of like how big the shoe was, I was like, I don't know about that. Not to be walking around in, but if I'm not like a true runner. I run, but I'm not like a dedicated runner to where I just get out there and just run. So I was like, nah, I can't get those. I haven't been seeing any videos of these online, which is pretty shocking. Pretty shocking. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and give y'all my honest thoughts about comfort. So let's go ahead and get into that.
Say again.
All right, get my camera right. All right, y'all. So these are comfortable. I suggest going true to size. I went with my size that I normally wear is a 10.5, so I went with that. Comfortable, walking around in them. Good. Nike DN8, comfortable, man. But if you just have a narrow toe, I would probably go up half a size just to be safe. But true to size is where you want to be at. Comfort wise, I'm gonna give it like a 8 right now, cause just walking around in them, they feel good. But I'm gonna really put them to the test when I go to Disney.
You know, you get that kid feeling, and it's just like,
How old are you?
25.
Oh.
I can't be a kid.
Mm.
I can't have a kid feeling.
So I'm gonna try to. I don't know. I could probably give y'all like a. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I was gonna say I can give y'all like a video of me just wearing them for an entire day, just these, but I'm not gonna do that. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm just put this video out for you guys so y'all can, make your own decision on if you want to cop or not. Like I said, they're still sitting on the sneakers app and they're still sitting on other sites. If you plan on copping, they have plenty of colorways. So if you don't like this colorway, you can go on StockX or you can go on the Go app and get another colorway. And no, I am not being sponsored, so I just like them. But overall, dope sneaker, comfortable. The aesthetic is good. People definitely gonna be looking down like, what are those? So overall, good shoe. I probably have to give this shoe like I give it I give it an 8. I give it an 8. Like I said, if they survive this,
stop it. Get some help.
But I appreciate you guys watching this video, taking your time to watch it, because like I said, I know it's not a lot of videos out about this shoe, so hopefully you take this video and decide if you want to cop or not. So thank you guys for watching. Sub up if you're not subbed up. Leave a like because it helps push my videos out with this YouTube algorithm. So please just do that. Leave a comment down below if you're thinking about copping or if you have any questions about the shoe. I can give you my honest opinion on whatever you want to ask me. So yeah, but thank you so much again for watching, taking your time out of your day to watch. So thank you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Swaggy T, I'm out. Peace.